Hello, welcome to another crocheting lesson. Today is lesson 8. We're going to be going over slip stitch. So I've got just some work here from last time. I'm just kind of hanging out on my hook here. And I've just chained one, just to make it a little easier for myself. So for slip stitch, what we're going to do is we're going to put it into our next stitch, pull the yarn through, and then just pull the yarn through again. It's pretty easy. Just go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, pull through. So for slip stitching, a lot of people tend to work a little tighter doing slip stitch than they do normal stitches. So if you have to do it for like a border or something like that, it's pretty handy to use a bigger hook than you normally would. But that's it. It's used a lot for shaping and things like that. But it's pretty easy to do. It's hard to do twice in a row, just because it's so tight. But you can if a pattern calls for it. You'll just have to kind of wiggle the stitches a little bit. And yeah, that's how you slip stitch. Happy crocheting!